Hello friends, welcome to all of you in Dr. Jelly's Academy. Today I am going to teach about the fossil fuel. So in this lecture I am going to start with the coal, including formation, type and its uses. So let's start. The first of all, what is the fossil fuels? The fossil fuels are the fuels formed by the remains of dead living organisms, that is plants and animals, buried under the surface of earth millions of years ago in the absence of air and the presence of heat, pressure and bacteria. So we have three types of fossil fuels. Number one is coal, second one is petroleum, and third one is natural gas. So first of all, I will discuss about the coal. So coal is a hard stone. It's a black in color and mainly consists of carbon along with the small amount of other elements: hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen and nitrogen. We have three types of coal. Number one is anthracite, that contains more than 90% carbon, and second one is bituminous, which contains 65% carbon, and the third one is lignite, that contains 38% carbon only. So what will happen when coal is heated? When the coal is heated, then its product depend upon either the heating of coal in the presence or absence of air. So first of all, I will discuss what happens when coal is heated in the presence of air. So when a coal is heated in the presence of air, then it forms mainly carbon dioxide along with a large amount of heat. The second one is when coal is heated in the absence of air, then it forms three products. Number one is coal gas in gaseous form, second one is coal tar in liquid form, and third one is coke as a solid residue. So the strong heating of coal in the absence of air is known as destructive distillation of coal. So next, the diagram showing the destructive distillation of coal. So in this case here, the coal is heated in the absence of air. Then it forms three products. Number one is coal gas, which comes out from this container. The second one is coal tar, is a liquid which is collected at the bottom of this tube. And third one is coke, the left remaining solid after the heating of coke, that is a coke. This is a coke. Here is a coke is obtained. So first I will discuss about the three products of the coal. Number one is coal gas. Coal gas is a gaseous fuels obtained during the conversion of coal to coke in the absence of air. It mainly contains methane and hydrogen along with the small amount of carbon dioxide. The coal gas, when burned in the presence of air, then it produces heat and light. Next one is uses of coal gas. So coal gas is used for various purposes. Number one, it acts as an excellent fuel in an industry due to production of large amount of heat. Second one, it also used for the lighting purposes in a street. The second product is a coal tar. Coal tar is a black thick liquid having an unpleasant smell. It is obtained by a heating of coal in the absence of air, and it contains large number of organic compounds such as a benzene, toluene, anthracene, naphthalene and phenol. Coal tar, the various components present in a coal tar are also separated by the fractional distillation. Next one, the uses. The coal tar is used to make the synthetic fibers, drugs as a medicine, plastic, synthetic dyes, perfume, paints, pesticide and explosives. It also used for the metalling the rods. Next one, third product is coke. So coke is a porous black solid substance and is obtained by the heating of coal in the absence of air. It is a pure form of the carbon which mainly contains 98% carbon. Uses of coke. Coke acts as a reducing agent in the extraction of metal and in the manufacture of the steel. It also acts as an excellent fuel. Coke is a better fuel than the coal. Why? So coke is better fuel than a coal due to the following reasons. Number one, coke produces more heat on burning as compared to coal. Coke burns without producing any smoke as compared to coal, which produces a lot of smoke on burning. Summary. The first of all, we discuss the three fossil fuel. Number one is coal, petroleum and natural gas. So in this lecture, I will discussing only the coal. Coal is a hard black stone and mainly consists of carbon. So we have three types of coal. Number one is anthracite, second is bituminous and third one is lignite. During the heating of coal, the products of coal depend upon either heating of coal in the presence or absence of air. So when the coal is heated in the presence of air, then it mainly forms carbon dioxide along with a large amount of heat. Second one, when coal is heated in the absence of air, then it forms the three products. Number one is coal gas, second is coal tar and third one is coke. First, coal gas is a gaseous fuel mainly contain methane and hydrogen, and it is used as an excellent fuel in industries and used for lighting purposes in street. Next one is coal tar is a black liquid containing large number of organic compounds which are separated by the fractional distillation. Coal tar is used to make the synthetic fibers, drugs, plastics, synthetic dyes, perfumes, paints, pesticide and explosives. And last one product due to heating of coke, that is a coke. Coke is a porous black solid substance and mainly contain carbon 98% and uses of coke as a reducing agent in the extraction of metal in the manufacture of steel and fuel. Coke is a better fuel than a coal. So thank you.